Hi, in this video, we introduce how to prepare an external hard drive and connect it to your hotspot. Because if you try to enable some FlexiMining apps like ScPrime or uh, Storj or Meson Network, you need to prepare some external hard drive because they try to share part of your storage capacity to the network. So in this example, if you log in COTX Hotspot Cloud Service, here's the address, and in the hotspot tab, you add your hotspot into your wallet space. You pick up your hotspot here, and here's the example. This is the test hotspot, and you try to enable Storj or ScPrime. You must connect external hard drive to your hotspot. So in this example, we try Storj, and when you try to connect your hard drives, you can use a SATA interface. In this example, a SATA USB converter. You have to connect this hard drive by this adapter, like a SATA to USB, and to your laptop. And we're gonna install an software on your laptop, on your PC to format the hard drive. And this converter, this adapter must have independent external power source, because some hard drives they need a consume more power. So we ask you to prepare this kind of adapter so you can get a independent power source for your hard drive. Just connect like this: USB drive, USB port, and SATA port, and independent power source. Then in your PC, you can open the software. You can install an open software like a Disk Genius. This is a software we use to format the hard drive, because we have to format the hard drive to ext4 of our system. In this example, it's not being recognized yet. Let's connect the hard drive to your PC. Then you can see your external hard drive already connect to your PC. But existing file system is NTFS, which is not supported by Cortex hotspot, because normally a hotspot is using a Linux operating system, so we need to reformat the hard drive to ext file system. So you just select the hard drive, and click format, then choosing a file system ext4, then format it. Please ensure you back up all files in your external hard drive, because format will erase everything on the hard drive. So the format is done. The file system is ext4 now, and you can just save your changes and close the app and disconnect the hard drive from your laptop PC, and reconnect this hard drive to your X3 hotspot. So now in this example, this hard drive already being formatted, and we use the same SATA to USB adapter connect to a X3 hotspot. And still, it must have an external power source. So you just you use USB cable connected to the USB port at the end of the X3 hotspot. since the hard drive already connected to your hotspot, now you can back to your hotspot cloud service and click Storj app. Try to install Storj app on your hotspot. So in this video, it's just an example to show you how to prepare your hard drive, how to evaluate it's connected to your hotspot correctly. So if you try to install the storage, and the system will automatically check if you have a valid external storage system connected to the hotspot. So in this case, you already recognized like the hard drive. It has 916 total usable capacity, and 46 gigabyte already being used. So that's the process you prepare and connect your hard drive to your hotspot. So for Storj, ScPrime, or Meson Network, the hard drive preparation and connection process are all the same. Thank you.